Hello everyone, welcome to Websense Pro. Welcome to another tutorial video, and this is about improving your mobile website layout. So, having a mobile friendly store is really important because more than 60% of the traffic is coming through mobile version. And on a lot of stores, you might have seen that they have a huge navigation. It looks good on the desktop version, but when you visit that on mobile version, it's too lengthy. So in this tutorial, we will add stylish accordion to our footer with a little piece of code which I'm going to provide you guys and a step-by-step instruction on how you can implement that. So as you can see my screen, that's my development store and that's the footer menu. We have 4 column here. It looks completely fine and looks good on the desktop version. But if I visit that in mobile version, you can see that it's too lengthy. What if we could have a functionality where we can add accordion to this footer menu? We can do that really easily. So after implementing this tutorial, you will have your footer menu only on mobile version look like this. So no matter how many navigation links you have on your footer menu, no matter how lengthy it is, if it is implemented via this tutorial, you can have accordion showing up, which will make it look really good on your mobile version. So if you want to learn how to do this, stick to the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. We are creating a lot of tutorials to help and improve your Shopify store. And if you want to keep watching these tutorials, make sure to subscribe the channel, comment on the video below, and turn on the bell notifications. So whenever we create new videos, you can get notified. Also, in my last tutorial, I created a stylish looking slider, which you can see here. It's a stylish before after slider. I'll also put the link of this video in the description so you can implement that as well. And thank you for the 8,000 subscribers for supporting me, for commenting your requests. And I'm getting a lot of requests from you guys and I'm trying to catch up. I am trying to update my old tutorials which I have created, and I'm also trying my best to improve the quality of the video content which you guys are seeing. Okay, so without further delay, let's get into this tutorial and try implementing that footer accordion on the latest version of a free Shopify theme. This can work on all of the free Shopify themes. We will test it out on Dawn 12.0.0. So without further ado, let's get into the backend of my development store. Okay, so that's the backend, and I'm going to click on online store. And this is the theme where I have already added the code to enable the footer accordion functionality. What I'm going to do, I'm going to install a fresh Dawn theme so you guys can see how it can be done. Okay, so let's install a new fresh Dawn theme. Let's click on add button here. While it is installing, I would like to inform you guys that if you guys are setting up a new store and you want to avail a limited time discount, which we are giving away, is you can set up your Shopify store just for $1 per month if you sign up through the link which is in the description. So don't delay and sign up using that link to avail this opportunity to start your Shopify store with just $1 a month for starting 3 months. Okay, our Dawn theme has been added and I'm going to hit publish button here. Hit publish button again, and here we go. Our fresh Dawn theme has been published. Now I'm going to preview it first. Let's preview it. Close the old tabs which we have open, and that's how our fresh Dawn theme looks like. Now first, what I'm gonna do, I'll add the footer menu on the footer of this Dawn theme. So let's do that. Click on customize. And here's the footer. Now I'm going to expand this and then click on add block. So I have already created the 4 different navigations. You can create that. If you don't know how to, you can watch out the other tutorials which I have, where I have provided a detailed step-by-step instruction on how to customize Dawn theme. I have also created a live stream on that, and if you want to see more live stream, let me know on the comments below so I can resume the live streams again. Okay, so let's add the menu. That's the first menu I'm going to add. Let's add another block. Click on add block to add the second menu. Let's rename this to what the menu is about. Let's add in another one. Okay, we have added this 3 columns and 3 menus on our footer. Now click on save. And now if I preview that in my mobile version, it looks like this. So it's pretty lengthy. And if someone is visiting through a mobile version, it's not that mobile friendly and it doesn't look much good. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we'll add the code for accordions. Now click on these 3 small dots and then click on edit code. I'm going to open that in a new window. Before editing the code, guys, make sure to have a backup of your theme. I've been getting a lot of comments that my code break your theme. This might be due to multiple reasons. If you have already customized your code, if you are using multiple apps, which might be conflicting with the code which I'm providing. So before implementing that, make sure to have a backup of your theme. Okay, so we will search for footer.liquid. So here's the footer.liquid file. And in this file, we will add some CSS and JS code. And here's the CSS code, which I will add. Don't worry about the code. You will get this link in this YouTube video description, where all you have to do is just click on this copy code button. And in footer.liquid file, scroll down to the bottom and then paste this CSS code. After pasting the CSS code, go to the JS code, which is below the CSS code. And here's the JS code. Click on copy code button and then paste the JS code. Okay, once CSS and JS code added, make sure to hit the save button. That's it. We have added our footer accordion to make our navigation looks good in mobile version. So if I click on preview store and if I visit the website in the mobile version, so I'm going to hide this bar here and here you go. So that's how our mobile version looks like after implementing this tutorial. Before that, it was like this, pretty lengthy, doesn't look good. After adding this footer accordion, it looks pretty good and nice and clean. Okay guys, that's it for the video. In this video, I taught you guys how you can add footer accordion. I hope you guys would implement this and let me know in the comments below about the feedback if you were having any issues. Until next video, have a great day.